Aloha, it's Jessica Baker with Coldwell Banker Island Properties here for your Monday Maui market update on May 21st, 2018. It is a gorgeous, albeit blustery day here in South Maui at Keawikapu Beach Park in Wailuku, so I'll keep this one short and sweet. Something that's come up a few times over the last few weeks when we're talking about properties that are already in escrow is repairs. So today that's what I wanted to talk with you a little bit about. So the way the Hawaii purchase contract is structured, it's an as-is contract. The seller is under no obligation whatsoever to make any repairs to a property. A buyer can always request that be done. Sometimes a mortgage lender, upon receiving an appraisal back, will state that repairs need to be made to the property in order to satisfy underwriting conditions so the loan can close. But let's be perfectly clear that the seller doesn't have to agree to make any repairs. Sometimes we see this almost as a secondary negotiation that takes place after you have the price and the terms and the closing date, the contract all laid out. Then prior to the end of the buyer's inspection period, here comes a new list of repairs, or expecting that the seller is going to give a large monetary credit to do those things, but they don't have to. So really what I would try to encourage prospective home and condo buyers is to do as much of your investigative work in advance. And also, when you have your home inspection report, look at that as a tool so you know the exact condition of everything on the property when you take over as a new homeowner. But it's really kind of just setting up for disaster, anguish, stress if you're going into the purchase expecting that the seller is going to fix things for you. So that's my little tip this week. Doesn't pertain just specifically to Maui real estate, pertains to real estate negotiations everywhere. So keep that in mind. Now here's this week's Best Buy. This week's Best Buy is a brand new listing at the Villas at Kealani. This is a luxury townhome complex that's gated on the cool hillside in Wailuku with incredible ocean views. The condos are pretty new construction, started being built in 2008 through 2015. So all the finishes are high-end granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and each unit comes with a 2-car garage. This one here is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath unit number 2802, and listed at $689,000. This is a great buy to take advantage of the luxury conveniences in the middle of Central Maui. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. Jessica Baker with Coldwell Banker Island Properties for another Monday Maui market update. With any questions about Maui real estate or lifestyle, please feel free to give me a call at 808-250-0840, or you can email me jessicabakermaui@gmail.com. I look forward to hearing from you. Aloha for now.